I think there is a big cultural challenge, and that's where I talked about this in my book also. It's like it's a cultural shift, right? They are writing the ETL job and making sure data pipelines are producing the right data in right format. They are doing like the data visualization and data analysis, making sure like the features are solid and generating the model. So communication is definitely a key thing, and I see a lot of challenges around that. Like if we are not talking across different disciplines and making sure we are aligned to whatever is the goal, if we are not doing that, that might bigger impact later on. And the other part, like more on the technical side, is like data management and consistency, right? So making sure this is more like a technical and data science, or I'll say like machine learning problem, because we need to continuously monitor. So that means it's a statistical model. I have some input and it is trying to understand, make sense out of that data and giving an output, right? So that means there is a statistical distribution in between. And this is hugely depend on the input data, the way I train it. But tomorrow, due to some reasons, if the data distribution totally changed, like one side it's skewed totally, then the model still assumes it's a like a perfect bell curve, but then data distribution got changed, right? Also, so we call it like data drift, right? So data is drifting, and then there's a concept drift also. So the concept drift is like we train the model, data distribution is not shifting, but the relationship is shifting. So that means when I train the model and my model is based on some feature, and I assume like there is a strong correlation between those features, so that skewed my prediction.